Hi everyone, it's your realtor, Dr. Engineer Ephraim, Gemac Properties. I wish to stop by this beautiful property in a prime location and give you an update. Welcome to Lekki Palacio. Lekki Palacio is a real estate product that is positioned in a prime location along the Lekki Expressway, as you can see here. Okay, so I have been canvassing for buyers for properties along this corridor because they are in prime location, and these properties have beautiful title. One of them is Lekki Palacio Garden by AY Home. This property is central to prime landmarks in the heart of Lekki. As you can see, Alaro City is not far away from here. Pan Atlantic University is just a stone throw from here. Dangote Refinery, and of course Lekki Deep Sea Ports. These are the great landmarks about this property. And as you can see here, this property comes with beautiful title, certificate of occupancy, and government allocation. The land is dry, as you can see. It's been raining, but let me just show you inside so that you will see the land you are coming to buy in Lekki Palacio. Let's go. So you can see the land. Although some areas are marshy, but generally a greater part of the land is dry land. So this is the land you are coming to buy in Lekki Palacio. And it's in a well built up environment with industries and people living right around this vicinity. So it's a very good buy at this time. One beautiful thing about this property is it's very, very affordable. Very, very affordable. You heard me. We have just two classes of property in Lekki Palacio up for grab. Let me also tell you that a lot of plots are gone here. What you are seeing here is not just available land. A whole lot have been purchased and allocated. In other words, very few plots are remaining in Lekki Palacio. And one beautiful thing is affordable, like I said. It is very, very affordable. With an initial deposit of 3 million naira, you can come into Lekki Palacio. We have 500 square meters only in this facility. Only 500 square meters. But that 500 square meters, we have the commercial and we have the residential. For the commercial, it's going for 40 million, very, very affordable. And for the residential, it's going for 30 million. So call right away and reserve your plots. You can actually DM me, or you call, or you reach me via email. I will respond timely so that you will be in this prime property. Imagine navigating to Lekki Beach or Dangote Refinery or Alaro City, and here is also very easy to leave Lagos. So call right away and I will be happy to help you secure a place in Lekki Palacio here in Lekki, Lagos. Do not sneak on this because very few plots are remaining. As you can see, the land and the neighborhood is in a very serene and peaceful environment in a gated community with 24/7 security, and you are going to have paved road network in this estate. Good road network. You have portable, you have recreational centers planned, CCTV, internet, fiber to home is also planned. You can see the features on this place. So call Dr. Engineer Ephraim. Let me help you secure either one or two or three plots in this prime estates. So you have seen the estates. Do not wait, because if you delay, you will miss out, and certainly you will regret it. Okay, this property is well priced this time, and this is the right time to key in. Start calling right away so that I can help you. So be in this fine location. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I'm begging you. Click the subscription, subscribe right away, and click the notification sign so that when I drop videos of this nature, will be notified. Until next time, it's your trusted realtor here in Lagos. Bye for now.